In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the header or footer area and add custom elements to your document. Whether you're creating a report, a presentation, or any professional document, customizing headers and footers is an essential skill that can significantly enhance the appearance and organization of your work. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily accomplish this. First, we'll start by opening the header or footer area. You'll want to navigate to the Insert tab on the top menu of your document. It's a familiar location if you've been working with other document features like tables or page numbers. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll notice the option for Header or Footer. Click on it, and you'll see a menu drop down. Now, at the very bottom of this menu, you'll find options labeled Edit Header or Edit Footer. Choose whichever area you'd like to work on by clicking Edit Header if you want to customize the top of your pages, or Edit Footer for the bottom. This will open the editing area for you to begin your customizations. Now that you have access to the header or footer area, it's time to add your custom elements. This is where you can insert text or images that will consistently appear on each page of your document. Let's start with adding text. You can simply click inside the header or footer and start typing. This could include the title of your document, your name, or any specific document information that you want repeated on every page. It's a great way to ensure that anyone reading your document knows who authored it or which section they're reading. If you want to include a logo or an image to give your document a more personalized touch, navigate back up to the Insert tab again. This time, click on Pictures. This will allow you to browse your device for the specific image you want to add. Once you've selected an image, it will appear in the header or footer area. From here, you can resize or move the image to fit your desired layout. You'll want to ensure that it doesn't overshadow the main content of your document, so take a moment to adjust it as needed. Resizing can be done by dragging the corners of the image, and you can move it by clicking and dragging the entire image to the desired location within the header or footer space. And that's it! You now know how to open the header or footer area and add custom text and images to tailor your documents to your liking. Remember, taking the time to customize these areas can make a big difference in making your work look polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped enhance your document editing skills.